Bond yields are on the rise. Dan Deming at KKM Financial joins us now. And Dan, what will this mean for investors and traders?
Well, it changes the dynamic and the pricing structure and options for one, Angie, because there is an interest rate component built into the pricing of options. So that's one aspect of the trading world that's being impacted. Also, when you look at these yields now pushing up to multi-year levels, that's going to start to challenge valuations in the equity markets as there's going to be competing valuation return profiles, I guess. So when you look at the 10-year now pushing up towards 240 basis points, that's a formidable level where you'll start to see the dividend streams or the dividend yielders in the market start to possibly lose a little favor to the interest rate markets or the treasury markets because of the higher yields.
With all the turmoil that's going on in the world, what do you think about investing overseas or in emerging markets?
I think there's some opportunities periodically in some of the areas. For example, I don't know if you necessarily call this an emerging market, but look at Brazil this year. It's up over 30%. I mean, there are certain markets within the developed or emerging space that are going to benefit from some of the trends, particularly the trends in the commodity areas. So I think that there's selectively some opportunities there, Angie.
What are you watching for this week, Dan?
This week, yields for one. We did see the markets come through some key technical levels last week that we're now kind of drifting back down towards. So that's something I'm keeping an eye on when you look at the S&P 500, the NASDAQ for two of the major indexes and their technical levels of coming back above either the 200-day moving average or the 50-day moving average. And Fed speak. I mean, the market's going to continue to be very focused on the Fed initiative moving forward. We're seeing that impacting the interest rate environment, and that's going to be something that's going to continue to impact the markets in the coming weeks.
Oh, the market's always so focused on the Fed. Thank you very much, and have a great week, Dan.
Thanks, Angie. You too.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.